Okay, YouTube. Haven't made a video in quite a while, but that's because of many various reasons. And the yard's a bit of a mess, but that's for the same reasons. But the guy's got to get his mind off that shit some way. So this would be my new vertical, my forge press. Press whatever you put in it. It's up to you. I mean, I'm gonna make it so it's usable for whatever various shit. As long as it fits in there, you can press it. Yeah, so we're going with that. And then the same 14 horse overhead. And this right here is going to be belt driven off the electric clutch with off a lawnmower spindle. So I'm not side loading the shaft on the pump. But that'll reduce the RPMs, which is fine, because that's a 26 gallon per minute pump that requires 16 horsepower minimum. But since I'm going to do the belt reduction, I can run the 14, especially with the electric clutch, because my motor will be running when I kick it on. And then that's downrigger. I think a cat. Yeah, a cat backhoe. Rear downrigger with a nitro rod. So basically do anything conceivable, within reality, besides taking a grinder to this rod, and it ain't gonna fucking do nothing. Yeah, there it is. And that fucking piece slides so easy. I mean, it could double up as a guillotine. Just saying.